Hey, good morning, you guys. So today we're gonna take a look at Taylor Ranch. So we're right off Ironwood Road here, and then if you go south just a little bit, that'll get you to the Queen Creek Road. So Ironwood and Queen Creek. We're a little bit northeast of Queen Creek. Almost right up there is gonna be East Mesa. So this is an area that's growing rapidly. So when you drive around and you're looking around here, you're gonna see a lot of infrastructure. You're gonna see a lot of commercial. If you go towards East Mesa, you see a lot of commercial and industrial coming in. So this area is growing like crazy. So I wanted to show you Taylor Ranch because of that. If there's anything within Taylor Ranch that you would like to see on the inside, please reach out. So I like doing these older ones because I feel like for myself, as somebody who has a background in construction and a background in contracting, I've always found it worthwhile to do my own value adds. If you have the energy and the expertise, you can come out really far ahead if you're able to do that. And I'm seeing a lot of parks and a lot of green space and a lot of walking trail. So let's go skate it. Let's go check it out and see what it's all. So many of the neighborhoods down here are building these giant monolithic entryways, and they're cool, but man, I love palm trees, you know? I mean, they're just so bold and beautiful. Okay, so diving right in. Beautiful palm trees right there in the front yard. I love those. So the homes in Taylor Ranch range, and so you've got options all the way down to around 1,300 square feet and all the way up over 4,000 square feet. The lots, they range as well, and so they're not giant. So the smaller lots look like they're around 5,000, with the larger corner lots pushing 8,000, maybe 9,000 square feet. One of the cool things about Arizona is they're always improving the freeway system to make things more efficient. When this was built, I don't think the 202 was even finished. So this neighborhood has become way more accessible to the greater Phoenix area in the last 5-10 years. And then they just finished another freeway called the 24. And that ends right at Ironwood, just up the road from this neighborhood. So the houses in this neighborhood were very, very cheap right after the global financial crisis. And man, they have really started to appreciate because of that accessibility. So I think that is one of the games you can play in the Phoenix market. Okay, so we're right back to that main central road here, and we're in this little park area. So they've built a community around this park, and it looks like we've got a little bit of a splash pad there on the left, and on the right we have playgrounds that are covered, which is awesome. And then we got some sand volleyball and basketball courts, which are lit up. So for those of you that have been here in the summer, the evening is when you can be outside, right? And for those of you that have been here in the winter, you can be outside all the time. So we always got to show the outside amenities in these neighborhoods. So here we are. This is where the lots and the homes are getting a little bit bigger. So we're looking at 3,000 to 4,000 square foot houses, and the lots are also larger as well. So pretty cool to tour. And like I said, you know, this neighborhood has got something for everybody, and really pretty. So, and lots of green space, lots of walking trails, lots of palm trees. So hopefully this video added value for you, and there was something positive you got out of this. If so, please like or subscribe as a thank you. I appreciate that. And if you want to look at anything, there's never any pressure, but I would love to show you, and I love touring homes. So let's go take a look. I can either do that virtually or in person. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Take care.